Hello, this is a quick video announcement for week 13. Now, as far as for week 13, you are going to be beginning a very important assignment. This assignment is the argumentative proctored essay. Now, to begin this assignment, the first thing I would encourage you to do is go up to our week 13 and pull up your checklist and to print it out. Now, when you pull up your checklist, again, this is our checklist just like our other ones. Now, before you actually start looking at the handouts and other resources that I have for this particular assignment, I highly encourage you to schedule your proctored exam right now. So the way that you're going to do that is I do have a tutorial for you. If you look underneath our announcements, okay, I'm going to another class because I can't have that open and our class open as well. So what you're going to notice is this is an announcement from a former class. Now at the very bottom there's a Smarter Proctoring Student tutorial. Now in our announcements, and you're looking at our announcement right now, you're going to click on this particular document, give it just a moment, and you're going to pull it up, and this gives you instructions of how you schedule your final proctored exam. Okay, now we're going to go back to our checklist. Now, as far as when you schedule, following the instructions that are in the Smarter Proctoring tutorial, you need to make sure that you schedule your proctored exam between Monday, December 2nd, that can be at 8 a.m., to Wednesday, December 4th by 5 p.m. I would encourage you to use a testing facility that's recommended. Okay, I have heard a few complaints about ProctorU from some other instructors and also students, so you may want to avoid that particular option, but any of the others are fine. And if you can come to the proctored exam centers at our colleges, at any of the locations of Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, I would recommend you to go to those because they follow procedure the way that we would intend you to take that particular proctored exam. Now, as far as completing this assignment, okay, you have to be in a proctored exam setting to submit the essay. If for some reason you miss that time period, the only way you're going to be able to submit your essay is if you physically come to the Jackson County campus, you meet with me, and I actually watch you submit your assignment in Canvas, and I'm proctoring it. I know most of you don't want to have to trek out here to the Jackson County campus, so that's why I recommend you going ahead and scheduling your exam period at a proctored exam setting that is going to be close to where you live. Just make sure you do it within these two particular time periods. Again, between Monday, December 2nd to Wednesday, December 4th. Okay, now as far as completing this assignment, I'm going to have an instructional video, okay, that's going to overview the argumentative essay. So just make sure you look through that particular video so you understand the assignment itself. I mentioned some of those handouts that I'm going to go in detail on in the video, but again, the most important thing you need to do for this week is schedule your proctored exam, okay, and start looking at the information about the argumentative essay, because this is our last essay and it's 25% of your grade. As always, if you have questions, please contact me. Okay, thank you.